In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file to GitHub in less than 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it and make this process as simple as possible for you. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you're comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other choice. Next, navigate to the search bar and type in GitHub. Once you load the GitHub homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. After you're logged in, your next step is to head to the main page of the GitHub repository where you want to upload your zip file. If you haven't created a repository yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. On this main page, look for the Add File drop-down menu. It's usually located just above your file list on the right side. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Upload Files. Select this option to start the process of adding your zip file. Now you'll find yourself on an upload page. Here, GitHub provides you with two straightforward options. You can either drag and drop your zip file directly into the large designated area on the page, or, if you prefer, click on the Choose Your Files button. This button allows you to browse through the files on your local machine and select the specific zip file you want to upload. Whichever method you choose, GitHub will then begin uploading your file. Patience is key here, as the upload time will depend on the size of your file and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, it's important to provide a succinct commit message. This is essentially a brief note that describes what you've just done. For example, you could write something like, Add project zip file. This step is crucial because it keeps your repository organized and allows others, or even future you, to easily understand the changes made. Finally, click on the Commit Changes button. This will save your upload and officially add your zip file to the repository. And there you have it. Your file is now part of your GitHub repository and ready for collaboration or distribution. So, just to recap, you opened a browser, logged into GitHub, navigated to your repository, selected Add File and Upload Files, and then either dragged and dropped or selected your zip file. After that, you added a commit message and clicked Commit Changes. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it's made managing your files on GitHub a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our content for other tech tips and tricks.